Hello, this is David. We're going to do a quick review of the OmniGo application. I'm going to start up the app. You can see I'm already logged in here. So let's log out just to show you the login process. So I'm going to do now I'm going to remember me. On this screen you've got the server, username and password, language that you want the user interface to be, and use cloud services lets you connect your OmniGo via the Omni Cloud Relay on the Microsoft Azure. So we can set you up with a cloud name. So rather than, if you select this in this line here where you put the server, you would put the cloud name of your server. I'm going to log in. The moment there are no alerts, I can trigger an alert. But in order, let me just show you here. I'm going to trigger the alert. And it's come in here. By the way, as a push notification, I clicked on the push notification and it opened up the alert in OmniGo straight away. And note that you can define specific notification tones on your phone for different alerts. So different alerts can get different notification tones. Even when the phone is sleeping, it will play a different tone. So for example, for different types of nurse calls, you can have different tones. Emergency would be one tone, regular nurse call would be another, etc. So here is the alert screen. And to open up the alert from here, you just click on it, and you've got all of the alert handler objects here. In this case, we have to take actions, notify security, call police, whatever actions were defined for the alert. I can put comments in here. Acknowledge, if I click on acknowledge, it'll show to all the other users that this alert has already been acknowledged and someone is handling it. The difference between event source and event location is that if the alert is triggered in one location, but then the tag moves, you'll find you'll see the current location of the tag at event source, and the event location will show you where it occurred. But in this case, they're probably both the same. So you click on that, and it'll open up the map, showing the blue showing the location where the alert occurred, and the red showing where the current location for the tag is. So let's say if I move my tag to another location, so if I now look at event source, it's showing me the event source. This is the location of the tag where it currently is. All right. The emergency call is if the phone can trigger a separate alert in Omni. So if you trigger emergency call, then it might be sent to other staff, etc., escalate it. So emergency call sent, and I got the alert in Omni. Okay. So here you see emergency call from Steve Sanders. That's already a separate alert. Now, when the alert is triggered in Omni, it's associated to a badge. And the badge that it's associated with is defined here in the tag neuron ID. Okay. This is the badges screen where I can search. So if I search for Steve, for example, it'll bring up the Steve Sanders tag showing its status and its location, and I can change the status with the application as well. So if I want to suspend it, then it's now in the suspended state, and I can put it back in the active state. The assets is where I search for assets. So let's say I want to search for an asset. Monitors, vital signs monitors. Okay, I want to search within a certain area, let's say the 8th floor. I'm going to search it, and here's my Here it found the bottle size monitor, and I can click on that and it'll show us where it is. So that's pretty much OmniGo. Of course, you could do a history and show the alerts that were sent to this phone. It'll show you a list, and you can search based on time or which alert type. And that's what I got for you today. Thank you.